Hello guys, how are you tonight? And as usual, each week we try to speak about a subject. The subject of today is it the time to day trade now? The reason for we speak tonight about day trading because the market is so troubled that because of the volatility, because of the changing of direction each day. So this is the opportunity to do day trading. And people who don't know day trading, who have never day traded, it's the opportunity to do so. In all these months, it's very hard to find stocks. Okay? So, a lot of you guys, when you search for trends, you will find difficult, okay, because stocks, they don't move by themselves, okay. The reason they move is because there are buyers or there are sellers, and the problem is that when the people, they don't know what to do, some they go with the day and they begin to short thinking that the day will be red, so they begin to sell short. Others thinking that it is a good day, they begin to go long. They begin to see the green just the beginning of the day at 9:30, and they just begin to go long in some stocks and they see if they can make money today. Now, and then the others, they for example, the stock stop going up, then it go down, they sell. Some they will short. Those who short, if the stock goes up, they will go long and they sell. Now this selling and buying a lot, this what makes the volatility of stocks, okay. And especially from February to now, from February to October, it's all messed up. There are some stocks who which do good. Now this is before, okay. Let's say I give you one stock, okay. Maybe you know it. It's very known. It's Apple, okay. In the past, it had been doing so good, like 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. It has been doing so good, and lately it was doing the same as the market, okay. Some stocks, they have been doing good, like Facebook and Twitter, and then they fall into what we call the last. Hello Artkov, how are you? So you are the first one to put a post, a text, and there are others that are just listening. Now, as I told you, they get hit so hard, Twitter and Facebook, but they were doing a trend. But the trend has been stopped because of the news, the earning news, and afterwards. Now, as we have seen yesterday, hello Anas Azam, how are you? As you have seen, Twitter has a small gap up, okay, and a lot of I made a video. A lot of people have tried to do day trading without being stressed out to buy before the earnings, because you will never know. Hello wise man, how are you? So they don't want to get into trouble, big trouble, because as you know, earning news in some good stocks like Apple, Facebook, Twitter, Google, Amazon, and other kind of stocks, they always, most of the time, have gap ups and gap downs. So the people, they don't want to face this trouble. So they want just to try to take an opportunity to do a day trade. And later in this session, I will show you what did happen, okay? What did happen in Twitter. At least you will know how some people, they made money with day trading today. I have some of my students, they have day trading and they have been successful. Some they put it before before, and some they do only a day trade. You know, it depends on you, what you want to do, and understand that always there is a risk in doing the earnings, because earnings, as you know, it's a very, very volatile day. Okay, so I try to understand that, and whenever you want to do or to buy, understand that you can lose a lot of money. You can make a lot of money, yes, but you can lose a lot of money. So it is 50-50. Now, but in day trading, it's not 50-50. Hello, free trader, how are you? It's not 50-50, because if you know how to day trade, you can make money, because you see the price where it's going. You can enter, enter, and you can, for example, exit the trade, come back again, because the day, it should be something either up or down, whatever the day is doing. And this is the good thing in day trading. It means by a few minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, you should see where the stock is going. Is it green or is it red? Okay? But the most important thing to understand in day trading is that it's the first minutes, 9:30 to 10 or 11, that makes the deal. Okay? It's that time where the people should decide if the stock is green or red. And it's always different. Okay, it's always different. You find some stocks are up, some stocks are down, so you can't just do one thing for everything. Okay, and there are a lot of, and there are other things some people use, which is volume in day trading. It means in the morning they try to see which stocks are moving faster in the market than others. So they put this stock into a list, just a few minutes, and then they can make a decision what to do with them. Okay, at 9:30 when they begin, 9:45, 10 o'clock, and they want either to go to short these stocks or to go long. But as you can know, you should practice all the things that I'm speaking about. It's not just you get it in one night and tomorrow you will be good. You should get acquainted with stocks and how do they move. They don't move at 9:30 up or down, that's it. No, they can go down, they can go up, they can go down and up and then down. It depends on each stock, because the players, they don't know what to do, so there is always problems like that. Okay, so for the whole market, as you know, the market is still going down. I see stocks, I see the major ETFs still going down, and this going down, we are still in correction. But I see some stocks that are below the correction. It means they go like a bear market in some stocks. Okay, not all the stocks. So try to be careful. Hello, Trang, how are you? That's why what I told you is, don't try to make a commitment for the long term now. Okay? Thank you very much, Trang. So the people who want just to make a decision, either to go long or to short the whole market, you should just wait until there is confirmation. Now, before I do a confirmation of a bull market, it was right. But then after a few days, there are the bad news, okay, of the federal government when they raise interest rate. That's why the stocks plump again and go down. Now, hello, Fleming Rowe, say, hey, currency, gold, stock investment right now. Okay, currency, as you know, you should do day trading. Okay? Most people who do currency, options, and futures, you should do day trading. Okay, you buy and you sell according to the day, because all these are leveraged. Leveraged, it means you buy small to control big. This is what we mean leverage. You buy it with 200, but in a few minutes this 200 will be gone. Okay, so that's why it's called leveraged. And gold and silver, we will see if you want. We will see gold and silver. You know, in stock market what they are doing. And stock investment, for me personally, you should be careful. You should be careful to go long while the market is going down. Okay, so hello Aura Pronobis. Okay, so you should be careful not to put a commitment, to put all your money, and then you will never know what's going on. What if there is a bear market in November or December and the stock market collapse? So all your money that you put, it begin to shrink very, very quickly. Okay, so for me, if you want to do a commitment, it's not now. Okay, especially the long term. Now it is good for most of the time is for day trading, because day trading you control more, because you enter. If you make money, you make. If you don't, you exit with a small loss. That's it. So your money is always in the account. It's not into the market where tomorrow you will never know. Maybe there is gap down. So, and gap down, it's not only because of the earning news. Okay, it could be any news, like the federal news. Stocks, they go down too much, but there is no earning news. Not about the company, but about the national policy about interest rate and stocks. And Trang said, day trading means we finish trading in during the day. Yes, day trading, it means the day trading begins at 9:30 and finishes at 4. But you can, the day begins at 4 a.m. and finishes at 8 p.m. This is the day trade in all. Because listen, at 4 o'clock, when the market closes, the market is still there. Yes, it's not for the whole people, but the news is there. So if the news is good and you buy and the stock is going up, you will be making a lot of money and you can exit before 8 o'clock. So you are still in the day trade. But after 8 p.m., if you don't exit, you will be holding the stock for the night, and that is the big deal. There are some who will never in their life they do swing trading. They do only day trading, because next day you will never know what will happen. Okay. Hello Tesla. Hello Aura Pronobis. Now Fleming Oro said, if mid-cap going up like 30% up in a week, Dows, what mean we are in a bull market? No, listen, Fleming Oro, there is no 30% or 1%, 10%. I showed you the resistance line and the support line. So I know there are some people who don't know this. So I will show you right now from the chart what does it mean, this resistance line and support line, and you will see where we say it's a bull, where we say it's a correction, and where we say it is what we call a bear market. Okay. So I will show you this. So please be with us and ask questions. Okay, as you can see right now. Now let's go to markets ETFs. Now let's say take the Dow Jones. Listen, see here. So I will take this line in. Okay. For those people who don't know what's the difference, you should see this blue line and this red line. Now, how do I make these lines? The stock market, this is the Dow Jones ETF. It means 30 stocks. You can $246.53. Now, the stock market was doing good before last year and the beginning of the year. You see, there is a big trend. If you were here, you were buying stocks, or you have bought this ETF, which is the Dow Jones 30 stocks ETF. If you bought it, you will have made money here the whole 2017 and until January 29. Now, what did happen is that stocks in this Dow Jones or ETF stops going up. So this is called the resistor line. Now, then a few days ago, they will go down. This is the correction because the market lost a lot. You see here how it goes up a lot in a long time, but in going down is just few days. Now, when it stops here in 9 of February 2018, this is the support line. It means the Dow Jones did not cross this line. So it began doing like trading into range, going up, going down, going up. Now all this here, all these months from February to around July to June, from February to June, if you bought here stocks, most of the time they go up and they go down, so there is no trend. There is no trend. It means you are not going to make money, a lot of money from this, because the market goes 3 days, then it goes 4 days down, then it goes 2 days, then it goes 3 days down. So here you cannot, there is no trend. But as I told you before, 28 June, we have a very long trend. This trend I showed you here. Trend. It goes above the resistance line. Now here, when you are here, let's say on 3rd of October, we are in a bull market. It means just the bull market just began. But because of the news of the federal government that it will raise interest rates, so the whole ETF goes down and down and down and continues to go down and down. And last week I told you if it goes more than this one, it is going to the support line here. Now, if I tell you, you tell me now, where is the bull market, where is the correction, and where is the bear market? Okay. If stocks go like this here, go here, above the resistance line, this is the bull market. If it continues to go up, it means we are going to bull market. Now here, from the blue line to the red line, we are in what we call correction. Okay? Now, if the stocks are going down, down, it hits this and go down, it means we go to the bear market. Okay? So these are the three things. So now we are in a bear market. Now we try to see S&P 500. S&P 500, it's the same, as you can see. Now here I put another support line. I say if it goes down, it means that we are going back. Okay, so we take it. So this is the lines. Now S&P 500, the trend was so good, so big. It begins earlier. See, here you can make money in some stocks. Okay. Now, if we go to the Russell 2000, you see that Russell 2000 has been doing good before, and it has been in a bull market for many months. From here, we can take that it is from 17 of May. It has been going so good. If you bought in this era, it's like 2 or 3 months. But unfortunately, there is a downtrend, very severe downtrend, and we come back to our correction. Now, if Russell 2000 continue to go down until the support line here, we will be going to a bear market. Okay, so this is in general how to see the bull market, correction, and the bear market. Okay, so let's go back. So this is for those who don't know, just to have an idea. Let's drink some coffee. Now, flamingo arrow, when you say 30%, 30% from what? So when you use my way, you will never be lost with percentage, and because who tells you that there is percentage? Don't put this by percentage, put it visual. Okay, visual, it means all my strategies that I work with are visual. You should see it in the chart. Anything, you should see it in the chart. We don't see something that it is out of the chart. Okay, a news company, what does it do? Problems with the company, we don't see it, and we are not interested into it. If someone tells you that this company is the best company in the world, but the stock price is going down, what do you choose? Are you going to buy this stock and it's going down? Or are you going to wait until it is strong? And then if it is a good company, yes. A good company is just an addition, but it is not what we are looking for. We are not investors. Understand that. We are not investors. Okay? Investors try to look at the company and competition and the other stuff. Earnings, dividend, if it has dividend. You are looking at some stuff of the company itself and its environment. But for us, we are not going to look at that because it is useless for us, because we only follow trends. If there is a trend, we do it. If there is no trend, there is no way to stay. If you are in a position and the stock each day is going down, so it is taking from your money. Now, what's the problem? If you continue to hold for a long time, you will be losing a lot of money, and maybe the stock will never go up again. Okay? So you will be losing a lot of things. So let's see here. So flaming arrow, as I told you, when we say mid cap, it could be any, not just mid cap, it could be big cap like Dow Jones. It could be mid cap like S&P 500. It means 500 stocks who have or which have middle capitalization. Or you can see Russell 2000 where they have small capitalization. Okay, now Trank said yes, I agree with you, thank you very much. Free trader, 25k in your trading account for unlimited day trading. Listen, yes, if you don't have $25,000, you can't do more than 3 trades in a week, in 5 days. Whatever these days, but it is 5 days. 5 days, we say a week, but it is 5 trading days. The weekend, it's not counted. Okay? So let's say in 5 days, you have an account, let's say 10,000. So I will just try to explain this, because a lot of people, they get confused. What's this 25,000? Why they ask us about 25,000? It's not the broker who asks you. These are regulations, okay? Regulations of the market, and it's not the broker who does it. It's just this, okay? So let's explain this. just for the guys who now when we have a $25,000, so you can trade as many trades as you can, as many as you can, as many. Let's say in a week you can do 5 trades. You can do 100 trades. You can do whatever you want. No one will stop you. Okay, this is what we mean when we have $25,000. Now, why is that? Okay, why is that? It is just they have a rule, the PT rule. If they see that you are becoming a day trader, it means you are doing a lot of trades. They will stop you if you have under 25,000. You have, for example, 20,000. They will stop you. Okay, they will stop you because you do a lot of trades in a week. So this week it is 5 days. In 5 trading days, well, don't count the weekend. No weekend. Weekend, it's not counted. It means 2 days of the weekend, it's not counted, okay? Only the trading days. Let's say Thursday, Friday. Now, Saturday, Sunday, they are not counted. They are not counted. So, for example, you do a trade here, then Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Let's say you continue doing the trade. Now, 1, 2, this is 3. Not here we have 4, 2, 3, 4, and here is 5. No. So this Saturday and Sunday, they are not counted. So Thursday, Friday, you do 1 trade. Now Monday, you do 1 trade. Here you should stop. Okay? Here you should stop. Because if you do on Tuesday, you do another trade, you have 4 trades. Now, when you have 4 trades, you become like you have a day trade pattern day trader. It means your broker might block you or send you a notification, or an email, and he said. You should not exceed that because you don't have $25,000. Okay, so this is to be understood. There is another thing I want to show you is that there is another problem. Let's say you have $10,000. Okay, let's say today is. Let's say today is Monday. You make a trade with $10,000. You buy a stock today. It's Monday. Now let's say Tuesday you sell. Either with a profit or with a loss, you sell. Now, can you go on Wednesday and you buy again? Can you buy another stock? Here, you can't buy on Wednesday. Now, if you have only $10,000 in your account. Now, why is that? This has to do with what we call settlement of money. Settlement of money, it means when you sell, in order to get your money, you should get your money on Thursday. Here you get your money. You can do the trade on Thursday using your $10,000 again. Because when you sell your shares, the money doesn't come until Thursday. So Thursday you can, so there are 2 days. So today you sell. On Wednesday you can't buy because you don't have money. Although you see the money in your account, but you are not allowed to use it because of this money settlement. Now the money comes back to your account on Thursday. That's why if you use it, you will have problem with your broker. The broker will stop you and he say, don't do that. If you do it again, he can stop you 1 month, or he can stop you 1 month or 3 months. He can stop you from trading. So understand this game. Okay? So if you want not to be stopped, you can have this $10,000 and you make a trade 5,000 and another 5,000 as a trade. Okay? So let's say today you buy 5,000, you make a trade. Wednesday you buy 5,000. So and always try to see. You can make a spreadsheet and you see when your money is coming. You can use it. You can use it when you sell after 1 day. The next day you can't use it, your money, until the settlement or money settlement, until your money come back to your account. I think a lot of you guys, you have understood this because I have spoken a lot about these rules. They are very simple rules. You should understand, and it's very good. Now there is another thing I want to tell you about your account is the margin account. If you want to sell short, you need a margin account. You need a margin account. Margin account. Okay? So you are not going to do sell short without it, a margin account. If you have cash, there is no selling account. Okay? Selling short, there is no with cash account. Because why is that? Because in margin account you borrow shares to sell short. You borrow shares. Now in cash you can't borrow. Okay? Until you have a margin account. So this is all for this stuff. Okay? So Aura Probability said technical analysis only. Yes, it means, listen, in day trading you really understand that trading is only technical analysis, because sometimes you will never know what's going on. You go to a stock, you find it going down, you don't know, and if you are going to search for what is going on for this stock, for that stock, you will spend the whole morning searching for these stocks, what it happened. Okay? Sometimes you don't find a news or something like that. You don't find what's going on. If a mutual fund is selling, this will never show in the guy's explanations. Okay? It's not shown. So no one knows. So the right thing to do is, if you are a day trader, you should see the news before, like the earning news. You know them. You just go to earning calendar and you know all the stocks that have earning news, and you see if these kind of stocks have these kind of stocks, they have earning news, you will know about it. And it's very simple. Okay? And then you go there and you check them. You can put a list of this kind of stocks, especially stocks that gap up and gap down. Because you ask yourself, why there are some stocks they don't do nothing? Why is that? Why, for example, most of the time Apple, Google, Amazon, Netflix, Tesla, why always we have gap up and gap down? But why other stocks, well, we will never see gap up and gap down? Why? It's just because there are a lot of analysts, they speak too much about these stocks, and traders, they like these stocks too much because it's an opportunity to make money in the earning itself. So a lot of people, they don't do that. Some people are waiting for these stocks and they do the day trade when the news are coming. They begin to do the trade, not tomorrow. Okay, so you can you can follow this kind of stocks, and you can go where there is the action is. Okay, you can't use the chart that we are using because it doesn't give you after hours. So I will just this thing after I see some questions, and then I will Trunk said, I am having problem with MasterCard stock. So Trunk, what kind of problems you have of the? Do you mean the MasterCard stock? It means the company stock. He said it goes down a lot. So, what do you want? What do you want me to do? You want me to go to this MasterCard and stop it? You go and see what's going on. You go to the news. You go to see if it is shorted. You go to see online what's going on with this stock. Hello, Nasduna Noche. How are you? Hello. Aura probably said, I am only day trading, no overnight holds until a bottom is confirmed. Yes. Thank you very much, Aura probably, because you should be careful these days where the market is troubled. It's going up one day, 2 days is going down, the other day is going up. So you can lose a lot of money from this thing. Hey, Tesla, how are you? Aura Probabilis said, been shorting all week due to market nice gains. Yes, it's a good time to short for a lot of stocks. Okay, some stocks, they go so bad, so you can make a lot of money from these. Tesla said, are we in a bubble or not? No, when we speak about bubble, it means when there is a bull market and all the stocks are doing good. Now the stocks is the opposite. They are doing bad. Most of the stocks are doing bad. So we are in the opposite. We are in the correction again. Hello, Alberto Luna. How are you? Tesla said, I am predicting that in January 2009 that we're gonna in another new high. Listen, Tesla, predicting is not a good way to make money. Okay? Who tells you that you will stay until 2019? I'm telling you, people are making money now, and then you are thinking about 2019. 2019, if you are there. So we are speaking about now. Predicting, saying the market will collapse or the market will have a bull market, it should be confirmed when you see, as I am teaching you how to see it. To see it when it is going, not in the future. Okay? So no one knows. We have no idea what the market will be in. Alberto Luna, long time no see. Hey, Alberto Luna, we are always doing on Friday at 10 o'clock. We are always like 6 weeks or 8 weeks, I don't know. We have changed from Saturday to Friday, and all the people are here that day. Alberto Luna said, what do you think about the market being a bear market? No, we are not. I just explained that we are still in correction. I have showed you this just a few minutes, but you are not here. You are not here. I have just explained, but it's good. I will show you with Dow Jones, and please look at it, because I will not do it again. So I will just okay, so please try to see my explanation about the market. See, this is the Dow Jones ETF. It means the ETF that represents Dow Jones, DIA. If the stocks go, or the ETF go above this line, we say we are in a bull market. If it is between this red support line and resistance line, the blue line, this is called correction. If the stocks go below this red line, it's called the bear market. So we are still in the correction. Okay? That's it. Now, Replay 163 said, I want to become a better swing trader. What do I look for to find out which stocks go up the next day? Okay. Reply 163. There is no sure thing. There are strategies that I develop and I use, but there is no sure thing. If you are looking for a sure thing, you will never find, because the market does not work with a sure thing. So you can start with having my first training. Here is my website. You go and you check, and please try to see my email. It is here. You can send me an email later when you finish this live session and you ask me questions. But if you go to the website, you click on it, you find the first training for free. You just go to it and watch the videos, and you have an idea about how I work. And then you can do subscription, golden subscription, or you can order training. There is also the chart that I am using. I showed you right now. It's called the free stock charts. We have a training for free. You can go there and you watch how to set up your chart. This is the two basic things you should do before anything. Okay? Now, Jeffrey Long, how are you? How do you think of the USA-China trade war? Now, listen here. Chinese are doing a lot of business with America. Okay? And they are invading the whole world. Now, why is that? Do you understand that from China, there are some of our companies they bring, or they have factories in China and in the third world countries? Do you know that the jeans that you buy with $70 or $100, $200, this jean is done in Pakistan or Bangladesh or China. They give them $1 to make it, and they bring it here with $70. You see how much our companies are doing business from China? And the Chinese, they are doing a lot of business and they are selling here. Even their stocks, they want money, they come here. For example, when you see Alibaba, not just Alibaba, but a lot of companies, they come here and they get listed here. Do you understand what does it mean, listed here? I will tell you something. Maybe you guys, I know you know a lot about stock market, but there are things that I should explain. Maybe it's good for you guys. Let me drink some coffee before I sleep. So let's go, and I will just give you an example of Alibaba. Okay, Alibaba, it's a Chinese company. It gets listed here, and I will show you why they get listed here. Okay, so let's go to the explanation. Now, here is China as a country. Okay, here is America. Okay, Now, Alibaba is a company. It's like Amazon. It resembles Amazon. It's the same. This company get listed in an USA exchange. It means you find it in the stock market. Buy the thing with Baba. Baba is the symbol of Alibaba. Now, why do you think Alibaba comes here to do the exchange here? It means to get listed in America, not into China. China, if it is there, this stock, let's say it is $1, okay? $1 is the stock in China. But if you go to USA, it can be, let's say, $100, okay? So do you see why companies, they raise money from $1 to $100? If the company, let's say the company worth is 1 billion in China. This is the worth in China, $1 billion. Now, if it comes here, they give her 100 billion, so this company becomes 100 billion. All this money goes directly to this company. Those people becomes billionaires. You see, you understand why these companies, they come to America? There are a lot. There is no Alibaba. Okay? So let's give you the chart right now, and we see Baba what's doing now, because I haven't seen it a long time. It's now 142 and it was until 211. It does like Facebook. Facebook also was 217 and now it is 144. So it's the same thing. Okay? So Alibaba is going down. But all this money that accumulates is a profits for this company because the share is doing so good. Okay, the share was only 87. Now it is 142. So this is a Chinese company. So this is just an explanation. I hope it helps you understand something. Now, China. We have cheap products. So a lot of guys who are in Amazon, who are in eBay, who are in Etsy and other websites, what they do? They bring from China cheap and they sell high here. This is business. So even Americans are doing good with Chinese products. If you go to eBay, most of the products are from China, because when they make a product, they make it so cheap because there the people, they are paid less. Okay, they are paid less. That's why the companies, they buy cheap, or they can make the clothes and other stuff. Like for example, Macy's. I understand maybe you know Macy's and you know other big companies that sell high brand. A lot of its stuff is from third world countries, China and the other countries. They make it so cheap there because they can't make it them here because the product will be expensive, and they sell them here. Please, when you are buying something, please check from where it comes, because they should put it. And you find, for example, jeans coming from China. Okay? You see, it's like stupid. And you buy it here with 70 or 80, while it's from China, it is $1 or $5 or $2 or whatever. So this is how the big corporations are making money. It's just because they buy cheap and they sell expensive. It's like Walmart. It's like other companies. They buy cheap and they sell so high. And listen, there is no what we call war. America and China, they are doing, both of them, they are doing good business. These big corporations of America, they are making a lot of money from China, although they don't get money directly from China, but they can get money from here when they produce clothes and other stuff in China. All the toys that you see, wherever you see the toys, are from China. Do you say why? Why always it is China? It's just because the labor is cheap, the plastic is cheap, the metals are cheap there. That's why you can buy cheap. If you go to Amazon, to eBay, to other places, you will find that these things are cheap from China, but here they are expensive. That's why they make money. So try not just Jeffrey Long, try not to see those news, war, and there is no war. Who does war with China? Who does war with China? America and China, they are doing good business, so they need each other. They need each other, so each one rely on the other to make money. That's the good thing. Now, Tesla said, Amazon, the first time I see it gapping down, I believe in Amazon to make a new high again. Now, listen, Tesla. I believe, I predict, you know, these things will never work. If you are an investor and you believe in Amazon, you just put your money and forget it for 1 year or 2 or 3 or 4. If you believe that Amazon is a good company and it can grow bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay? But when you say, well, I believe there is a gap up, there is a gap down, this is just gossip, because you don't get, because if you believe in something, you should do it. Okay? You should do it just this. Oral Prohibit said, you can short the SPY with tickers like SPXS. I have no idea what is this. Oh, yeah. Listen. Just to make sure you understand. Aura Pronobis, the ticker that you give is 3x. So do you understand the 3x? What does it mean? It means that if the stock goes $1, you will get $3 profit. But if the stock goes $1, you will get $3 loss. So understand, yes, the inverse ETF. So understand, don't play with this kind, because this is more than the market. Okay? Is more than the market. It's you are not doing the same thing. For example, if the stock goes $1, the other goes $1. This is the normal thing. But when you are going 2x or 3x, you are doing extra things. You amplify the daily return. But this, you should do it in day trading, not in swing trading. If you want to, you can do it in day trading. Replay 163. Do you do day trade or just a swing trade? Yes, mostly I do swing trade. But if I find opportunities to day trade, I will do. But not that much. I'm not doing, because it needs a lot of work. And it needs that I wake up early. I don't want to wake up early to see what's going in the market, the news, and to see stocks that someone can short or can go long. This needs a lot of work. Okay, that's why I don't do that much. Yes, as you told me, Aura Probabilis, 3x, it means you amplify. When it is called direction, it means in one day. You amplify the profits and the loss of one day. So be careful of that. Oral you said risk management is very important. Yes, day trading. Yes, it's for day trading. Yes, you can find a lot of stocks that a lot of ETFs that go like this, 2x, 3x, and you can day trade them. If you are day trading a lot, don't buy too much or too many shares. At least you will be in a safe area. Okay. Now, as we have seen, Twitter has a gap up, and I make a video and they say you can day trade. So a lot of people, they have been day trading what we call Twitter in the morning, and they have made money. It's just because of what did happen on Twitter. Replay on your video. Do you show what to look for into other charts? Yes. Yes, it is a training. It is a training. You can go and see golden subscription if you want the 13 training for free. Okay? If you are looking for the 13 training levels for free, you should do the golden, or you can buy training 1 by 1, beginning from 2. Okay? Training 2 and on. So please check my website and send me an email later when you finish, and I will help you with that. Yes, you can do my strategies with options also. Yes, you can do that. Okay, you can do that. It means instead of buying a stock, you can buy an option. But don't buy a lot of options, because as you might know, options, you can wipe out all your money if you do options. So you should be careful with doing options, and don't buy a lot of contracts at the same time. And understand that you are that all your money is at risk. It means 100% risk, not like in stocks. Okay, in stocks you can put stop loss and you can exit at certain time, but in options it's very hard. If you have a gap down and you buy a call, okay, you will wipe out all your money. That's why I say don't buy too many contracts at the same time. You should just begin doing day trading. You can day trade options also. You can buy and sell during the day. It's like stocks. You can do that also. So let's go again. Reply 163 say, but you need a lot of money to do swing trade if you don't do options. Now this depends on how much money you have, but options is a big risk. A big risk. If you put money, and after a few days you can lose all that money that you put. It's not like stocks. Stocks in general, you will never lose all your money in few days. But in option, whatever you put, if you are wrong in the direction, you can lose a lot of money. And if you want to, if you have just little money, and you want just to do, you can do stocks, penny stocks also. Okay, you can do penny stocks if you want to. They are small, and you can buy them like options. You can buy them $1, $2, $3, $4. You can buy them also. Anas Azam said, options is too risky. I wouldn't do that. Yes, options are for experienced traders. They are not for beginners. People, they think it's because it is a small you can buy, but this small that you buy, you can lose it all. And if the person is greedy, he put 500 or 1000, Next day there is a gap down, he will not find his money. So it's a bit, options are a bit risky. It's not for beginners. Free Trader said, I am not a big fan of options. Yes, you are right. You are right. Be careful with options as always. And Ora probably said 75% of options expire worthless. Yes, because the people, they buy options and they leave them, and if it is against them, the option begins to become worthless in a few days, and then you will have zero. It means you lose all your money. It's not like a stock. A stock, it might that the stock go down a few days and then it goes up again. But for options, no. Most of the time, if you lose it, you lose all the money. Free Trader said, I always want to be in control of my money in terms of risk management. Yes, Free Trader, you are right. You are right. You should always try to be careful with your money. Try to limit your loss always. If a stock you lose, you begin to lose, you try to see your stop loss and you exit it. You don't want to wait. You see what's going on in the market. It's 1 month or 2 months going down. If you have a stock and you wait 1 month or 2 months, you can lose all your money, and this is too bad. And as you said, stocks you can exit at any time. True. And they are very tricky. Yes, tricky is just because a lot of people, they think that the same money you can get from a stock you can get from option. This is not true. Okay, it's not true. In a stock, if it goes $1, the option call will not go $1. Okay, so try to be careful about that. Tom Banair said, what do you think about Twitter? Now, Twitter, the other day, before the earnings, I say you can do day trading about Twitter. A lot of guys, my students, they have done day trading, and some they made money because of the day trade. And it's very good to hear about these things. Now, understand that the whole market is going down. So when you see what do you think about Twitter, I have no idea. It can collapse at any time. Today it is good. So let's, since we speak about Twitter, and then we can go back. So let's go to Twitter. Okay, look at this. This is yesterday, and this is Wednesday. I make a video on Wednesday night, and I explain how to do it, because when they open, the stock goes down. It opens at 31.35. I made a video yesterday about what did happen. Okay, so from 31.35 it goes down to 30.76, and then it goes up to 33.67. This is the opportunity to make money in day trading. Now today it goes 56 cents. Okay, and no one knows what the future will be. Okay, but as you can see, Twitter was going so bad in this month. It has done the same as Facebook with these 2 days go down. Okay, now Tesla said professional traders sell calls and puts. If the price didn't change, they keep the money. Yes, this is not professional traders. This is anyone who owns and he doesn't want to sell. Okay? So Tesla, you can do it. You can sell calls and you can sell puts and you get money. Okay? It's not related to professional traders. It's people who sell. Because you own, for example, you own Twitter and you sell calls or you sell puts according to certain strike. If you don't know how to sell them, you just call your broker and he will show you. So all the guys who have stocks for the long run, if they want to make money, okay, if they want to make money, but understand, if you buy a call, you get a premium. It means you get profit before the stock goes up. But what if the stock goes down? If it goes down too much, more than the premium, you will be losing money. So it depends on how much you will stay with this this contract. If it is 15 days or 1 week, or it is 1 month, or it is 6 months, or it is 1 year. So you should not do long contracts like put or call, because you will have a problem. If the stock is against you, the premium will not be sufficient for your profits. And since you own the stock, because the other guy does not own the stock, he just can exercise it at any time. It is his. It means he controls you. He controls your stock. You can do nothing. You understand? Because you get the premium. So Tesla, it is not professional traders who sell. It is investors. Investors who sell. It's not professional trader. Anyone can do it. Even you. You have a stock, and you can sell an option. Well, what's the problem? You can sell call or you sell put to other people. And if you don't know how, you just call your broker and you say, okay, I am new, I want to sell call or to sell put. How can I do it? He will show you. And he will ask you to choose if it is put or it is a call. And he will tell you how much you make. Because whenever you sell, you make some money, and that's it. Okay? Replay 1C3, you said, I just lost about $1,100 on option for Amazon earnings. Yes, as I told you, you can wipe out all your money. But how long did you buy this option? You buy a call for how long? It means 1 week or 2 weeks, or how long? Let's see. Let's go to see Amazon, because I didn't see for a long time. Amazon, I didn't see. Yes, it's not $139, 7.82%. Okay. So it's $139 for each share. Since you bought, it's very good that you bought what we call an option, because if you bought 100 shares and it was 1,782, and it goes to 1,672. 642. So you are $139 for each share. Okay, so if you buy 100 shares, you will lose $13,936 in one day. You see how hard it is, big stocks. Okay, so yes, as you can see, yes, and the stock was $2,050 in 4th of September. Yes, so be careful. Be careful next time. Okay. Now, a free trader said, the key factor in day trading is to cut your losses short. This will keep you in the trading game for a long time. Small losses and big profits. Yes. A free trader. I have been day trading before. Before I do swing trading, I have been doing a lot day trading. It's very, very nice, and you know, it's excitement, and you always do the excitement, selling always the stocks, going long, shorting, which is very, very nice. Clown with Twitter account, he said, I got confused again. Why you are confused, Clown with Twitter account? You're confused about what? Now, free trader said, when a trade is against you, don't hope, but be able to preserve your capital. Yes, you should do the plan before you do day trading, because you need to have a quick action. If you are lazy, if you don't act quick in day trading, you will be in a real trouble. Okay, you will be in real trouble. So day trading are for those who are very, very active. They can change. They can see if they buy long, the stock begins to go up, they buy long, they begin to make money, $100, $200, $300, and then in just a few seconds, the stock is going down so hard. You should exit at that time. It's not about profit. No, you exit because it's against you, and you will lose your profits, and you will lose some of your money. So it's better to exit and see again. If the stock continues to go down, you short it. This is why the day traders, you should be good in changing directions, and don't hope. This is just a game. You should be good to the game. Up or down, you should change your mind according. You adapt yourself. Okay, it's like today it's rainy, it's cold, you have a jacket, but tomorrow it is sunny and there is heat, and you shouldn't do that. You shouldn't have a lot of clothes when it is very, very hot. It's like this. Okay, so you should be natural and adapt yourself to the trade. Not it is winter, so you should always put a lot of clothes although it is hot. Okay. Now, Oracle said, even a 50-50 trader can be profitable with proper risk management. 10 trades, 5 losses, at 30 cents, at 5 winners, 70 love your losses just like your wins. Yes, you can do that also. Thank you very much, Oracle. Trank said, yes, I got you. Thank you very much. Day traders need to understand candlesticks and level 2. Yes. But even level 2, it's not very, very important, because you can day trade even with my chart. Before, I use my chart to trade, but I have my price of my broker, but it is just when I buy or I sell. But the chart works very good with day trading also. Trank said, I will do my best to avoid this mistake. Yes, but Trank, understand that we do always mistakes, and we try to correct our mistakes by time. It's not just today you will correct all your mistakes. You can't do that, It comes with practice. Whenever you do a mistake, you correct it. If you don't know your mistakes, you can check. You can check training level 17. How to solve your trading problems. You can find them in my website, training level 17. You can go to my, it's called 17, how to solve your trading problems. There are 28 problems I will solve for you. It's just, you read the problem, you should see if you are doing this problem, yes or no. If you are doing it, I will give you the solution. So it's called how to solve your trading problems, and it's training level 17. Okay. Clown with Twitter account said, free stocks charts doesn't show pre-market and post-market. Yes, I didn't say that free stock charts. I say you can do day trading from 9:30 to 4. I'm not saying pre-market and after market you should need your broker chart. So there is no, it will not give you the pre-market or after the market. Okay, you should see your broker chart. Now when I say day trading, you can use from 9:30 to 4 p.m. This is where the most of the actions happen, except for the earning news, which is pre-market. It means before the market opens or after the market closes. This is another thing. This you should use your broker chart, or at least you see the price. What's going on with the price? Is it going down, going up? That's it. Because day trading, it's like the old ways. You don't need the chart very importantly, but because before the people, they don't have chart, they have only numbers. If you buy at $20, now the stock is 23. Are you making money? Yes, you are making money because you see it's 23. You sell, you make $300 for each 100 shares. So you don't need really the chart, but the chart is from 9:30 to 4 o'clock. It's good because you will see a lot of, you can put a lot of stocks, you can put a lot of portfolio, and it helps you. Okay, it helps you very well. Trank said, may I ask you a question? How much money have you lost before a successful trader? Now, I lost a lot of money because I did stocks, I do day trading, I do options, but I will not say you how much I lost. But I lost a lot of money. It's just because I make sometimes money, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. I make money and then I lose it again. I make money and then I lose it again. So I don't know the games. I don't know the game. I don't know the rules. Why I made my money, why I lost my money, I don't know. That's why if you are in this situation, all what you make, you will lose from the market because you don't have rules. You don't have a strategy. Okay? That's the problem. Nasty note, she said, yes, free chart does show pre-market and after market when you have the premium version. That's what I use, and it is $59 per month. Now, Nazdin, why you are using the chart for pre-market and after the market? Are you day trading, day trading in the pre-market and after the market? Are you looking for what is the thing that you are looking for before the market and after the market? Are you looking for, let's say, earning news or something else? Because most of the stocks doesn't move that much, and some they don't move at all. So it depends why you are spending $60 a month for just to see the prices. I have no idea. clown with Twitter account said, you are right about Tesla. Today, the stock shoot another 30 points. Yes, you understand that we are still in a troubled market. Most of the time there is no trends. Stocks are going up and going down with a strong price up and down. So the best thing in this time is to do day trading, because if you just know the direction of the day at any time, 9:30, 9:45, 10 o'clock, you know just the direction where it is going, you can make money. Okay, that's the good thing. Nazdinanochi say, yes, I day trade sometimes and I want to see the action before the market opens. You can see the action with your chart broker. You don't need, if you are not trading, you don't need it. Because Nazdinanochi, you know better because you are following this. I don't follow pre-market and after the market except when there are news. I can go to my chart for my broker and I check. The price is very easy. The close, you know the close, and then you see the price. Even without the chart, you know what you are doing. What is the price? Is it going up or going down? So, but if you are trading, this could be something related to earnings or something related to something else. But understand that with low volume, the bid and the ask is so wide, so it's not a good way to trade, except in the earnings where we have high volume. Okay, so Nazdinanochi, try to be careful. Now, Ora Pronobi said the trader needs to define if they are a day swing or a position trader. What they are comfortable with or combination of them. Yes, that's true. Spreads are important. Yes, except in earning news, the spread is too much. Some stocks you find zero. You can't buy, you can't sell. After 4 o'clock, you can't do nothing. Okay, there is no news, there is nothing, so you find stock 0, 0, the bid 0, the ask 0. Sometimes you find a very, very large spread. You can't buy also and you can't sell. It's too much. But the good thing is that when you are doing the earnings, when we have the high volume, the spread will be very small. And this is where you can buy or you can sell. And understand that you can use only a limit order. Okay? A limit order, it means you can't use market order because there is no market. After 4 o'clock, there is no real market. So you can't use market order because there is no volume. You should use only limit order. A clown Twitter account probably will go to February level because the government is afraid that value investors stop buying and the market will depress. Now understand that the government doesn't care about you as an investor if you lose money or you make money. The government thing is to have taxes. If there is any money made, taxes. Okay, this is the most important thing that you can think about. So don't include the government in your calculations because for you, if you made money, you should pay tax. If you don't make money, you can claim some money if it is your case. Trank said, how long have you been trading in stock market? Since 2010. I have been with the good silver and gold bubble at that time when the peak is 2011. It was, yes, 2010, yes. 2011, it was the peak of gold and silver. And that is the good thing about but from that time, they go down until now. Okay? they go down until now. And that's why those people who don't understand the value of things, they say, oh, try to do investment in gold and silver, like in physical. It means physical gold and silver, because they don't lose value. I say, what does it mean it doesn't lose value? So I will just show you just some explanation about gold and silver. Those people who don't understand really what's going on into the market, they get fooled by these sellers of gold and silver, especially those who buy coins, they buy rounds, they buy gold, and they leave it into banks, and they pay for it, and they told them you are safe. This is not safe thing. Warren Buffett, who is the best known investor in the world, says he has never bought gold or silver. They don't do physical because it doesn't move. Okay? It doesn't move. Trent said, do you think how long can make us a successful trader? A successful trader, you make it yourself by practicing and hard work. So it depends on each person. It's like in school. And you tell me, for example, hey man, I am in your class. How will I be a genius from the first 1 or 2 or 3 traders that they do good? It depends on you. It depends on you, how much you practice, and how much you acquire, and how much you stay in the market during the years. It doesn't have to be 1 month or 6 months or 1 year or 2 or 3. It depends on the people. Okay, so it's all different. Now let's say I just explained to you for gold and silver, for those who don't understand the value, because a lot of people, they don't understand. Okay, see here. Now this is gold, this is silver. Okay, here it stops on, I will just give you the year, April 2011. This is for gold and silver. This is the peak. Okay, this is the peak where they stop. Now, the gold, I think it was 1,800. I think this is the price. Okay, for an ounce, troy ounce is $1,884. Now silver, I think it was $74 for an ounce. Okay, now things go down from 2011 to 2018. Now I think it is 1,250. This is just a general price. You can check it right now, how much is it, but it lost. You see how much it lost. Now this is $14. Let's say it is $14.50 for today, just an example. Okay, so you see how much silver has lost. This is silver, this is gold. How much they lost? Let's say here, let's say you buy $100,000. $100,000 you bought silver in April 2011. It's the same, April 2011. This is the highest. Okay, so 15, it means it's like 2.5. Let's say 70% of your money is gone, minus $75,000 lost. If you have bought in April 2011, you buy silver. This you buy silver, whatever silver you buy, physical or stock market or whatever. You lost this. Even gold, let's say 900, 1800. Let's say you lost, just an example, okay? You lost 45% because gold. Now, this is what you lose. Now, from 2011, now if you buy stocks, how much you make? Let's say you buy the Dow Jones, DIA. Okay? Let's go to DIA, the Dow Jones, beginning from April 2011, and we see how much you make. Okay? So let's go to the Dow Jones ETF, and we see, let's say we take the month. Let's say here 2011. Where is 2011? 5, 8, 11. Yes. This is April. Yes, April, it was 128. 128, 248. Let's say it is 95. Let's say it is, just an example, okay? You have made 95% profit if you took, for example, Dow Jones. Now you see how stocks are superior than this gold and silver. And people online, they told you, if you buy gold and silver, the value doesn't change that much. You see that? Who tells you that gold and silver doesn't lose? They lose too much. If you put 100,000 here, you have lost 75%. But if you put 100,000 here, you have been at maybe $9,500. It means a profit of 95%. Okay? So you see that even though even though they are so different. So don't listen to people who tells you buy gold and silver and put it like physical and put it in banks and you will be going to pay, and to protect your silver in the banks you will be paying a lot of money and you lose a lot of money. And even if you want to sell, it's very hard to sell a lot of gold and silver in the market. It's so hard. In stock market, yes, you can buy gold and silver. You can sell them. Okay, very, very quick. Now, let's go. I will show you right now before we finish. Let's go and check and give you the gold and silver as an ETF in stock market. Listen, see this? So, you will see gold until the year August 31st in 2011. This is the highest. It goes. And then it goes down, it goes down, it goes down, it goes down until 116. From 186. Okay? But if you bought before gold, it was doing so good. Okay? So it depends. It depends on the time. While the gold and silver are going down, the stock market is going up. But in 2000, where is 2008? Let's see the years. Okay. So you see, gold was doing so good. Now this is gold. What we mean by gold is in the stock market, okay? It's the it's all the stocks that are doing gold. It's not the physical gold that we are speaking about, okay? It's different. But you see that this year, 2013, was a very bad in the stock market for gold and silver. Now they are going up for 2 years, and now this year was bad. Was bad because of the market, you know. Now silver, those of you guys who are interested in silver, 1381 right now, but this is for stocks, okay? Stocks that are doing mining, gold, silver, and this stuff. So let's go back to our explanation. Now, clown with Twitter account. I explained at the beginning of the session and in the middle, and I will show it to you again. Clown with Twitter account, because I have showed you many times this time, but I will show it to you. And you are always here each week, so you should know. I told you many times we are doing the same thing. It means when I explain something, it should be the same thing. If there is a change, I will tell you. Now let's go and I will explain again. Now this is let's say the daily. Okay, look at this Dow Jones ETF. This is the resistance line. It's the high of the February. And this is the low, which is the support line. This is where we have the correction. Now, if stocks go above the resistance line, we are in a bull market. Now, a few weeks ago, I said that there is a confirmation of bull market, but because of the news, things go down again. And it's still going down. If it goes to this line, support line, and it crosses it, we are in a bear market. But right now, we are in a correction. We are still in a correction between these two lines. These two lines, if you put them in your mind, you will never get lost in the future. Never. Because if the stocks go up again and hit this and continues to go up, most of the market stocks will go up, and you can choose any stock and you can begin to make money for sure. Okay? But not all the stocks, okay? Most of the stocks. Now, if the stock market collapses and hits the support line, what does it mean? It means we are not in the correction. We have been worse than correction since the correction is just this here. The correction is this until 9, the low of 9 February, which is Friday. This is the low, and this is $233.76. This is the low of the correction. If it crosses, it means we go to a bear market. So we have three phases. The bull market is above the resistance line. In the middle, it's the correction. And if it goes below, it is called the bear market. So we are still in the correction. And don't try to predict, oh, it says it's still continuing going and it will cross and we are in bear market. Don't predict until you see. Because it happens here again. It goes down, it touches, and it goes up again. It touches, it goes down, it goes up again. It goes down again, and then it goes up again. So don't predict anything until you see the right thing. Okay? So that is for the bear market or bull market or so. Okay? So let's Oracle Biz, you said, if we go from correction to bear market, you can still make gains shorting the market. Yes, this is the good thing about day trading. In day trading, it's the time to do day trading because we have a lot of opportunities to make money either up or down. And because we have volatility, the stocks are strong. It means if they go down, they go too much. If they go up, they go too much. If the stock goes down 2% or 3% or 4% in one day, it's a very, very good thing. Okay? So it's time to do day trading and to try. Even if you don't do it real, you can do it in fake. You go in the morning, 9:30, you find stocks and you begin to trade. If you don't know, you can go to my website and you can either do golden subscription. So golden subscription and check training level 11 and 12 about day trading and about how to sell a stock. They are free. You can just go checking the techniques. Now Trank said, can you suggest us good stocks to buy in September? No, man, we don't do that. As if you have not been listening the whole session. I'm telling you that we are doing my strategies works with probabilities. It doesn't mean that when you buy a stock it will go up. You are looking for a sure thing. A sure thing doesn't exist in the market. There is no one who knows. If I know, I will become a billionaire in 1 month. I know which stocks go up, which goes. There is no one who knows. Stocks, you should do a strategy and you should bet on the stock. If it goes up, you keep it. If it goes down, you exit. That's it. It's a very simple strategies, but effective strategies. If there is no trend, there is no money. So don't stay. Okay? Oracle said traders need to both bull and bears whatever the market dictates. Yes. When you are a day trader, you don't care about trends. This is the good thing about day trading. Day trading, you don't care about the market. If the market is down, it is good for you to make money. So it's not like swing trading or what we call investors. You go long, so it's not a good way to do business. Okay. Trang Nguyen, it's good. So try to understand that we are doing our strategies by probabilities. You have to follow criteria of search, but understand that during this market the mood is bad, sometimes up, sometimes down, so there is no much trend. So the best thing to do right now is to push yourself to do day trading. You can try it, you can see my techniques and you can use them. Position traders, investors hold for long period. Now when we say position traders, investors, they usually from 1 year to 3 years. This is position trading. I am going to do day trading next time. Yes, but understand that you should know some techniques. You can go to my website and you check 11 and 12. There is a discount. You can order them and you can study them. Or if you want to see everything, you can check golden subscription and you can just learn 2 months, 3 months, and you begin to practice, which is very good for you. Yes, as you can see, you say volatility is here, the VIX is over $20. Listen, stocks are not the same, but the good thing is that there is a very, very good chance that day traders, they can make money right now in this, from February to now, where the stocks are very, very volatile. Okay, so it's very good time that you can even make money and so. So the whole thing about day trading is you see it alone. Each day is another day. Each day, either it is up or down. That's why the only thing you want to know is the direction. Whenever you find the direction, you stay until you make enough money and then you exit. This is what all day traders do. And if you are excellent, trader and you begin to make money, good money in stocks, you can change to futures. There when you can make a lot of money as a day trader. This is the way people they can make a lot of money day trading. Okay? It's futures. It is difficult, yes. It is you should practice a lot, yes. But whenever you are good at it, it will be a game. You can lose some money, but you can make a lot of money. Trang and Google say, where do you live? Your English is so good. No, my English, I have an accent, as they say here, America. Whenever I go, they say, oh, there's an accent. I say, you too, you have an accent. It was a game here, okay? I live in USA. Okay, I am here in USA, North Carolina. So, as I told you before, day trading is the thing now. A lot of people, they do day trading, but if you are interested to get initiated, you should go to futures. Okay? And here, Trang, try to go to my website right now and try to take training level 1. It's for free. Just take it. There are 28 videos. You can just watch it and you see the general ideas about my strategies. Then you can either go to golden subscription or silver subscription, or you go and you order a training. For example, day trading if you want. Training level 12 and 11 if you want to. And you have my email. If you need anything, you just send me an email. Thank you very much. Now, Ora Probiz, he said some swing trade short, risky, but very rewarding. Yes, it's very rewarding, but understand, you are in a troubled market. You are, and understand that swing trading in selling short is so risky. Okay? So when you buy, don't buy too much, because if there is a gap up, I have seen a stock that gap up 100%. Do you understand what does it mean 100%? It means you lose all your money and you are in a debt. Okay? So understand that it is so difficult. So try not to play with selling short. Selling short in a day, you have more control on your money than in swing trading. In swing trading, if you have a gap up or gap down, you will be losing a lot of money. You can't control that. No one controls. You can't, because a gap up and gap down goes into seconds. Okay, goes into seconds. It's not something that it is too long to form. Okay. See, Facebook and Twitter, they got a lot of damage. Okay, a lot of damage, and a lot of Facebook get a lawsuit, and they have, I think I see they have to pay $67 million. These are mistakes that the company has done. That's why they pay for their mistakes. Okay? And understand that for these people, they are billionaires. Clown with Twitter account. Mark Zuckerberg is a billionaire. He doesn't care that much. He is always making money for himself. The company is always making money, although the stock goes down. It's the investors, swing traders, people who buy, who lose money. Yes, the stock lose money. It means the company will shrink. Yes. Now, when you say, are you optimistic or pessimistic? For me, you know, earning news is something you will never know. Is it a gap up or gap down? You will never know. So how can you tell me to tell you, I am optimistic when there is a trend? I was in the trend. Okay? So when you are in the trend, you see that and you can make money. But in earnings, no one knows. So you just leave it for the earnings, and we see. If it has a gap down, it will be losing a lot of money. Okay? It will be losing a lot of money because a lot of pressure on Facebook. If there is a gap up, it could be a gap up and the stock goes up again. So no one knows. Okay? So no one knows. So this is always, as I told you, earnings, news are very, very difficult, and try not to pretend. Either you are in or you are out. You can have a gap up and you can have a gap down. If you don't want to be in a trouble, stay away from any stock. This is my suggestion. If you are not comfortable losing a lot or making a lot of money, you should not trade stocks like Facebook, Twitter, Apple, Amazon, what is the other, Amazon, Google, all these bigger stocks, Tesla, all these biggest stocks. You should either risk or don't risk. Okay? Penny Camus said, hi, can you take a look at ML and X I hold from March? ML and X less. Yes, man. Let's see. So ML and X. Where is March? This is April. Oh, April. This is March. It means you bought it around 75. And now we have a gap up and it is 83. So if you are doing, I'm not saying anything. If you are doing a long investment, it's up to you. Okay? So the thing about investing is different from trading. So if you are doing investment for many years, you should leave the stock for many years. Okay? Although the stock has been going down, but there is a gap up because of the news, which is very good for you. But it's up to you. Because when you invest, it means you have seen this company is better than the other companies. It is making more money. The earnings are good. If it has a dividend, it is better and it is increasing. This is what the things you are looking for. You should look for competition about other companies. This is what you should look for in the future. Okay? But it's very good if you are doing like investment. Okay? Clowny Twitter account said, can Facebook diversify more like Amazon so the stock will trend again? No, you are, listen, you are comparing two different things. So I will just explain to you the difference between Amazon and Facebook. Just stay with me. Okay? Try to see first. Let's see here. Amazon and Facebook. We try to see just the difference. Okay? So Facebook, how Facebook makes the money? It's because of the ads, selling ads. Selling ads, this is how they make money. Now Facebook is like Google. Okay, so it's how much money you make. But Facebook, in my opinion, will be doing more, maybe in the future after all this trouble, if he will do like YouTube. He has begun doing like YouTube, but right now it is just an experiment. And he began to ask people to upload videos in order to put ads, like Google bought YouTube to put ads. Okay? Now, if Facebook succeeded in making like YouTube, it means having videos with ads, he will have another major money maker like Google has done with YouTube. So you understand? Now Amazon, it is totally different. Amazon is not making money from ads. Okay? It's making money from taking commissions. This is how it works. So Amazon is making commissions. Let's say you sell something with $100, Amazon will take, for example, 33%. Now, 33% of all the millions of people are selling things. So 35% or 30 or 40 or whatever. This is how Amazon becomes big. Okay? So it's totally different. So you can't compare Amazon with Facebook. You can compare Facebook with Google. Yes. Because Google is making business from ads also. This is and Facebook is a challenger to Google. So you man, Twitter with Twitter account, or you should make the difference between Facebook and Google. Not the difference between Amazon, because Amazon and Facebook are different kind of business. This is called a catalog business. A catalog business selling online things, but Facebook doesn't sell physical things or something. No, it sells ads. It's like Google. Okay, so this is just an idea about this. Now, so hope Clown with Twitter account you understand my opinion. But listen, Clown with Twitter account, don't see because the stock has been going down because it has a trouble, it can't go up again. This is all, in the market. It's not really about the company itself. Okay? Now, a lot of investors, they don't like technology stocks. They like old style, like banks, like insurance, like stuff like this. Okay, because it is too much risk. Penny Camus said, now they made exit and I don't know if to hold. No, this is up to you. This is up to you. So no one will decide for you. Because let's say someone tells you, oh, you should sell. You sell, and after 1 month, the stock is still going up, going up, going up, going up, and making a lot of money. What did you say? Oh, you say, oh, that guy told me to sell, he's wrong. And you begin to blame others. So, since it is you, Penny Camus, who has bought the stock, what is your plan when you bought the stock? Is it swing trading? It means you stay for many months and you see if the stock goes good, or you are investing. It means you know the company very well. What is your plan? If it is your plan, you know this company very well, you know electronics, you know all this company, and you want to stay more, it depends on you. And the stock has been going down, so you have been losing money and you don't exit. So what is your plan? If you know your plan, you take the decision by yourself. You don't ask anyone, because it is your decision. I don't know what this stock do next year. I don't know. Maybe it double its money. Maybe it goes down. So I don't know. So I can't decide for you. Or probably say the range is very volatile on the FANG stocks. Know what you are doing before looking or shorting them. Yes. Or shorting this type of stocks. Fida Hashim, can kindly look at NBIV. I got stuck with it with a lot of shares. And I think you have told me before with NBIV stock. I will check for you, Fida. And you can send me an email. Don't forget to send me an email in the future. You don't wait until we have this live. You can send me an email and we can discuss that. NBIV, let's go to this stock. Oh. This is a pump and dump stock. This is a pump and dump stock. I don't know when you buy it. When did you buy this stock? At least I will know where you bought it. Fida Hashim, when did you buy this stock? At least I will see what did you do. Crown Twitter account said, you have said that any industry there is a stock that trending always. Can you give an example? I didn't say that they should be. I told you, for example, if you see Apple in the index, you will see Dow Jones, for example, Apple, it's doing better than, and it was trending than the index. You see that? Apple was going up for many months while the Dow Jones was going down. You see that? It doesn't make any money, the Dow Jones. If you compare it with time, with Facebook, with Apple and other stocks, you will find that Apple is doing better. This is what I said. And it is not a sure thing. Stop thinking about always sure thing. There is no sure thing in anything. Now, when I said when the industry is going down, it means that the mutual funds are selling this thing. It could be all, it could be almost all, but you can find bargains. This is I always tell, but it depends. It doesn't mean that in each industry you should find or two that it is good. Okay. Clown with Twitter. Aura probably said, I trade a lot of same boring stocks with no news, but the price actually recognized very much. Yes. When you have a lot of experience in stocks, you can even, if the stock is good, you can even specialize in one stock. If it is volatile and you are good at it, you can each day make money from it, because you know the people who are trading and you know where to enter and when to. This depends on your experience. Crown Twitter account said, is correction more dangerous than the bear market? Is correction preparation for another long trend? Now, correction, it comes in little time. A bear market can stay 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, or 4 years. Okay? So correction, it is just when the stock goes good, there is a correction. So I will just explain to you. Okay? Let me explain to you here, just to know what is a correction. Now, this is how it looks, a correction. Now, in a trend, the trend like this, in any trend, there is what we call correction. Now, correction, what is it? It is just people sell here. They sell. Why do they sell? It's just because they are scared. When they see that there is a lot of money here, let's say this is 1 month. 1 month the stock is doing so good, and then it goes down too much. So the people, when they see that the stock is going too much, here they sell. Now, they sell. When it begins to go up again, other people, they buy. This is what will form the trend like this, going up, going down, going up. And it is natural. Correction is natural. When it is going for a long time, it will go down. But the problem in our market, the correction stays too much. For example, if you take Dow Jones like this, okay, let's see. Let's say this is the Dow Jones. Okay? So you see that this correction, you can know this correction by putting the lines like this. And you see that the correction stays. It's not like the other correction that I showed you, but this correction stays a long time, from February to now, which are in October 2018. It stays too much, but we are still in correction. It means if this trend continues like this and go up, here we say that the correction has ended. Now, what if the correction has go down? Now this, it means that we are going to a bear market. The stock market collapse because it is not anymore in correction. It is going to a bear market. This is what we mean by this explanation. So you bought the stock at $725, 980 Canadian. No, I'm speaking about, you give me the price, but 725, but which day? It means I want just to, I think you have told me about this last time. I think you told me last time. I can't remember your stock. So if you put 725, just an example, okay? So you bought it here. I don't know which day you bought it. 7, it is 420. Okay? So you are losing a lot of money. And you are asking what you should do. This is a very, very tough, because when you bought, whatever is the day you bought, you didn't put a stop loss to exit. So here is the mistake, Fida Hashim, that you did, is that you don't have a plan, and this is very, very terrible for a swing trader. You should make a plan, because this is not investing. You can't go to smaller stocks and you invest, because most of the penny stocks, they go down. It's not good for investment. Most of them, okay? If I don't tell all, most of them are bad. So it is better. I don't know what's the situation and how much you are going to stay. What if now the stock goes more and more down? Are you going to sell or are you going to stay? Understand that the stock can go to 0. It can go to 5 cents. You will never know. I know it's bad news, and you want to hope for good news, but anything can happen. So you should make your mind, and you decide when you exit, and you forget about this stock. Okay? This is what you should do. Just make a decision. You say to yourself, if it goes to this price, I'm selling. That's it. If it goes to this price, sell. Now, if it goes up again and you see maybe there is hope, each time it goes up, you change your stop loss. Change your stop loss. Change your stop loss. If it becomes good, you will be getting your money back and then making a profit maybe. But if it continues to go down, don't hope too much. Because you told me about this, and I think I have told you the same information. Because these things are very, very terrible. You let your feelings control your business. And you put your hope as a business. Hope is not business. You see that you are losing money, you will never know if you continue to lose money or your money come back. No, never know. Clown with Twitter account, he say, I have a Coca-Cola. Yes, you know, it depends. The old stocks, it depends if they are going up or down. It's very, very saturated stocks. They don't go that much up or down. Or probably said, stocks under 10 are rarely trading by institution. Yes, mutual funds, they don't go to penny stocks and they buy them. Except for stocks that drugs, the stocks that they have been approved the medicine, they buy those stocks because they can be very good in the future. Okay? But smaller stocks always fall down. I can show you hundreds of stocks always are going down when they are small. Except for some they go up. Okay? That's the good thing. You said it is cannabis related stock. You can FIDA, if you are buying cannabis stock, why you don't buy ETF stock? I have made videos on my YouTube channel. Put marijuana stocks and you will get 2 videos. I have here 2. I will show it to you. Let me find them. Yes, marijuana ETFs. We have 2. There is one which is called Alternative Harvest ETF, MJ. And there is Advisory Shares Vice. This is the combination of stocks like an ETF. It means they can go up, they can go down. but it is the majority average of. But when the people they know them, they go down. When the stocks are just beginning each year, they go up so good, and then they go down. So and understand that this are new IPOs, and new ETFs. They are new. This one here, there is no volume at all. These are ETFs. It means ETFs. It means there are a lot of stocks. I think MJ is in Canada and it has 28 stocks. Cannabis stocks and marijuana and some stuff. But the other one, advisory shares, are a lot of companies, drug companies that deal with marijuana and cannabis. Okay? So no one knows. But these ETFs are better because when they go down, they don't go that much. Okay? And they are very volatile. It's just because the people speculate on this kind of ETFs and stocks. Okay? So try to be careful with this kind of stocks. Clownly Twitter account said Coca-Cola, Pepsi, and G&G and PG do well in correction. I didn't see them. Okay. Trangi said I am going to invest more in GE. GE was doing so bad. Lately it has a gap up and it's going down right now. I don't know. Warren Buffett is very smart man. He holds banks and Apple and Coca-Cola, PG with the spike in correction. No, he has other stocks that they go down. So he's doing the same as the market. He's doing the same as the market, I guess. Okay, but I understand that Warren Buffett he has a lot of stocks and he holds them from the 50s. So you can't compare him with someone or with the new stocks. Okay, Apple is the only thing that he bought lately, and he said that he was mistaken in Apple. He could buy it before, and there is an interview in YouTube, in television it means, and in YouTube you can watch it when when Bill Gates when they speak about computers and they speak about, and they ask him, Warren Buffett asked, they say, what is this computer used for? He told him to calculate, to do things. He said to him, I have only one stock. I don't calculate anything. And it's like this, okay? But he changed his mind at the end of his life and he bought Apple. Okay? Yes. Ortherby said he sold IBM and bought Apple. I didn't know. I put Warren Buffett list of stocks, but it can change at any time, so I don't know. So I can show you Warren Buffett stocks right now, very quick, and then we can finish this. Bank of America, okay, is going down. Wells Fargo, Coca-Cola stays the same. The Kraft Heinz company is going down. It was, listen here, it was 97, now it is 54. It's nearly 45% he lost in this company. You see? Apple, it's still up. American Express, yes, it's up. It's good, but it's going down. Siri is going down. USB is going down. Doll, average. The Bank of New York Mellon Corporation is going down. You see, it happens that it is the same as the stock market. GM, General Motors, is going down. Love is going down. American Airlines is going down. Going down, going down. It was going up, this USG. It looks like it's doing good. DVA, no, good. Moody's Corporation is going down. It has a gap down. It was doing so good before. Going down. Going down. Going down. Not doing good. Okay. Store Capital Corporation is doing good, as you can see. Was doing good, very sign. Monsanto Co. This, it stops. It means, I think, either it was bought by another company. It must be bought by another company. This MON. You can just go and check. It should be bought. It's really bought, because when it stops at the same price, it means there is someone who bought it. GS going down, Gold Sachs. Visa is doing excellent, excellent. You see how this is like a rocket. And you know, Warren Buffett likes credit card and banks and insurance. He likes them too much because he knows how they work. Going down, going down. Costco is one of the best stocks. MasterCard here. Like Visa, it was doing so good. Costco is a retailer, doing good. Bad, bad, bad. It was doing good, so good, this one. Diversified services. Walmart is good. 98, it goes up again. It's very good. Better than the other years. Bad, bad. G&G is doing the same as the market. PG is doing like the market, not big deal. Is doing bad. Is doing good. Average, more than the average. Okay, so understand. I don't know which stocks. I don't know which stocks he sold or the other he bought, but it is his decision to sell or to buy. It is his decision with his company. You said the buyer has bought Monsanto? Okay. Because, listen, I don't follow a lot of things happen. Mergers, acquisitions, a company bought another company, and it's a lot of stuff. Okay, thank you very much for watching. It's 2 hours, 22 minutes. We are at the end of this session. Thank you for coming. And thank you for asking all the questions. Thank you, Trank. Thank you, Orabis. Here is my website and my email. If you need to send me an email, please hold this. Thank you, Free Trader. Thank you very much, Trank. Thanks, Pini, Camus. Thanks, anyone who is here. You are 20 guys who are here. So I don't know your names, so all with your names. No, you said, I guess you might be very tired now. Yes. No, it's 2 hours, 23 minutes speaking. So yes, it's thank you very much, Trang. Thank you. And hope to see you next time. And as I told you, send me an email and keep my website. And if there is anything, especially Fida, Hashim, please send me an email and tell me what is your plan. At least you can make your decision. Thank you very much and hope to see you next